Hey guys, welcome in this tutorial where we will explain you how to link your API key in Klaviyo. So let's jump right into it. First of all, you have to log into your Klaviyo account, and once you are logged in, you will land on your homepage. From here, you have to go to the bottom left corner of your screen where you will see your profile icon. Just click on that, and it will open a small menu. From that menu, you need to go to your account settings. Once you are on the settings page, you will see multiple options in the left sidebar. Here you have to click on the tab called API Keys. Now in the API section, you will see two types of API keys. One is the public API key, and the other is the private API key for connecting or linking purposes. We will go with the private API key because that gives you more control and security. So go ahead and click on the button that says Create Private API Key. Once you click it, a pop-up will appear asking for a name. You can enter any name that helps you remember what the key is for, like Renew Integration or anything else you prefer. After that, you will see a section called Access. This part is very important here. You'll get 3 access options: Full Access, Read-Only Access, and Custom Access. If you select Full Access, the API key will be able to read and write data, make changes, and access all features. If you select Read-Only Access, it will only fetch data, but won't make any changes. And with Custom Access, you can manually control what specific areas the API can access, like campaigns, profiles, metrics, and more. This is useful when you want fine-grained control. For this tutorial, we will go with Read-Only Access since we just want to fetch data for external tools like Klaviyo or similar dashboards. Once selected, just click on the Create button. Now your private API key is generated. You will see the key appear on the screen, and from here you can copy it. You can now paste this key wherever it is needed, whether it's your website integration, third-party app like Klaviyo, or any other tool that supports Klaviyo data fetch.